Hi besties, welcome back to Queen Jasmine's Kitchen. If you're a first timer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss out on more delicious homemade recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make the soft, milky shawarma bread you've been craving right from the comfort of your home. No need to go out for that delicious shawarma anymore. This bread is perfect for wrapping up all your favorite fillings. So grab your ingredients and let's bake up some magic. So I'm using 1.5 cups of flour for this recipe. Then first I'm going to add in half teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of sugar into the flour and then give it a good stir. Next, I'm adding a pinch of salt, stirring again after pouring in my liquid milk. Now mix with your hands and gradually add water bit by bit until the dough becomes almost soft. Remember to mix gently and lightly for the perfect texture. Now that my dough is ready, I'm going to let it rest for 2 minutes. Next, I will place the dough on a soft surface for cutting. Since I'm making 4 pieces of shawarma bread, I will cut the dough into 4 equal parts and start rolling each one out to my preferred shape. You can also roll yours into any shape you like. While watching and enjoying this video, kindly like, subscribe and share to support the channel. Your support keeps the recipe coming. So after spreading out my dough, I'm going to place my shawarma pan on the fire and allow it to heat up and dry. Now watch closely as I show you step by step how to prepare the soft, milky shawarma bread. Place the flattened dough on your pan over low heat. After 1 minute, flip it over to the other side and let it heat for another 1 minute. Once both sides are done, your soft milky shawarma bread is ready. Take it out and repeat the same process with the remaining dough. This method is super easy and the bread comes out super delicious. My beautiful super soft milky shawarma bread is ready in less than 5 minutes. Wow, that was quick. Now you can enjoy fresh homemade shawarma bread anytime, any day. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing homemade recipes. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy recipe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.